How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Are you looking for Christmas movies? Christmas time is just around the corner. But listen, you're in for a treat. Christmas movies on your Amazon Firestick. Pretty easy to get to. I just stumbled upon it the other day and I wanted to share this with you. If you are on your Amazon Firestick on the main home screen here, come to the little search icon, click down to App Store, and then you can just come down to all categories and click on entertainment. Under entertainment, it has all the movies, TV shows, live TV apps you can get on the Fire Stick without doing anything, without leaving it to find another store or website or anything. No jailbreaking needed. But on the Fire Stick, we got it all right here. So as you can tell, in this list, there's a whole whack of apps for movies, TV shows, live TV. They're paid, they're free, they're subscription based, they're not, everything is in here. Some of them you have to log in before you can see anything. So Christmas Plus is the one I was looking to show you. So I'm going to click on it. So we're going to download Christmas Plus, free holiday movies and music. Welcome to the world's largest Christmas streaming service. Make Santa's nice list and watch your favorite new and cherished Christmas blockbuster films. Cozy up to the couch and watch over 1,000 hits. Christmas or 1,000 hit Christmas from today and yesterday. Perfect for the whole family. So as you can tell, it's open, it's ready to go. I'm going to show you a little trick here. Go to your home screen, click the little home button on your remote. Come all the way to the little 3 square plus sign, your apps and games button. And if you never knew, you click the little 3-line button, move to the front, or you could do it and just move, and you don't have to put it to the front, you put it wherever you like. Alright, Christmas Plus. FYI, these are ran with advertisements. So you will get ads while you watch, before you watch. I have seen some of the ads, a little lengthy, like a minute or two, but that's okay. Enough time to get yourself a nice, warm Christmas drink. So, who doesn't like Scrooged? Boom. Christmas Vacation. I think I've already seen it like 3 times this year. White Fang. Sure. This Christmas. Jack Frost. Meet Me in St. Louis. Miracle on 34th Street. Okay. So, if we click on, let's say, Christmas Vacation. Gives us a quick little brief outline. Griswold's family plan for a big Christmas. You hit play. And she starts to play automatically with an ad. This ad's 27 seconds long. So, as you can tell, a 30-second commercial, boom, starts the movie. Awesome! Awesome, awesome, awesome. They all work like that. As you can tell, let's go through here quick. Family favorite blockbusters. So, not necessarily Christmas, but some family stuff. New this year. Christmas love stories. Remember, guys, and remember, they said there's like 1,000 movies on here. You're going to need more time in your calendar, I think. Christmas classics. Family Christmas favorites. Yule, LOL. New Christmas hits. There are like seen some doubles and triples going through here, but that's okay. Mistletoe Love Stories. Royal Christmas Romance. Family Follies. And then we got our logs, Christmas music and some vlogs. So if you guys want something different on your TV while you're opening presents this year, here you go. Woo! Or without music. Maybe just the sound of a crackling fire. Black families, of course. Snow days, oh yes. On ice, interesting, the Nutcracker. Horror, The Good Son. Huh. Where's his other movies? Elf Approved. Merry and Bright. I don't know how far this keeps going, guys. Christmas Calamities? What? Small Town, Big Romance, Magic, Santa's Picks, North Pole Adventures, Faith, Blue Christmas, Pause, Retold, Naughty List. Who's on the naughty list? Interesting. I would definitely use Christmas Plus over Christmas Classics. That's my opinion. Maybe there's something in the classics that you saw that I didn't, that you really want to watch. Try it out. Alright. Take it easy. Enjoy. Peace.